Prepare your tools and make yourself familiar with all parts of your tap. Open the box containing your tap, take the boiler out of the box and packaging and keep the box containing the filter close by. Place the tap flat on the surface. Securely tighten all hoses by turning them clockwise to make sure they are all in place. Take the tap and feed the hoses through the top of the hole in your sink or worktop. Take the triangle cushion, place all the hoses through the hole in the center and push this up towards the underneath of your worktop or sink. Take the rubber washer and place it on top of the metal washer. Place the washers under the triangle cushion by feeding the bolt that's connected underneath the tap unit through the hole. Take the mounting nut and secure the washers by tightening the nut using the wrench. Check the tap is straight and tighten the nut until the tap is securely in place. Take the three-way metal T connector and fix this to your mains cold water pipe. Connect hose marked number 1 to the top of the three-way metal T connector. Attach the hose marked number 2 to the mains hot water supply. Take the filter housing unit and unscrew the filter compartment. Attach the filter housing unit to the back wall of your cupboard using 2 screws. Make sure the height will allow you to reconnect the filter. Remove the filter from the packaging and place it into the housing unit. Fix the filter back into place by screwing it into the housing unit at the back of your cupboard. Connect hose number 3 to your mains cold water supply and push the other end of the hose into the filter unit where it is marked in. Attach the clip to secure the hose into place. Insert the end of the hose marked number 4 into the filter unit marked out and attach the clip to secure the hose into place. Take the three-way plastic quick connector and push the hose marked number 8 that leads from the tap into the three-way plastic connector. Connect the hose marked number 7 to the three-way plastic connector marked number 7. Take the spray attachment and connect this to the end of your tap by screwing it into place. Take the weight and open it up. Then connect the weight to the marked area on the hose number 7. Remove the red cap from the top of the boiler. Connect one end of hose number 6 to the plastic three-way connector marked number 6 and screw the other end of hose number 6 onto the top of the boiler. Remove the blue cap from the top of the boiler and connect the hose marked number 5 by screwing it onto the top of the boiler. Please bear in mind that the position of the blue inlet and red outlet on the boiler may differ from the one shown in this video. Take the white clip that comes with the three-way plastic connector and secure this to the back wall of your cupboard by using a screw. Place the top side of the three-way plastic connector into the clip to secure this to the back wall. Turn your mains water supply back on and check all the connections to make sure there are no leaks. Turn on the normal hot and cold tap on right-hand side. Then turn on the filtered cold water and let it run for 1 to 2 minutes to flush the filter. Turn on the boiling tap until the water runs normally through the tap. Switch the boiler on and allow it to boil. Once it reaches 98 degrees Celsius, turn on the boiling tap and drain approximately 2.4 litres of water. Repeat this process once more.